Standard Textile was founded July 1st, 1940.
The company was founded because my grandfather escaped from concentration camp.
My dad, Charles, he tried to get a job in Cincinnati, which was the only city that he knew. He had a cousin in America, so he had to make a living for the four, and he decided, since he knew textiles from Munich, Germany, that he would try to start something in the textile business. I think originally when my dad went out into the field, he went to the small hotels and he was honest with them from day one. He told them he's just starting the business. He told them of his expertise. Instead of just offering a product at a cheaper price, he wanted to know what they're using, what they're not happy with, and maybe with his textile knowledge, he could help them. And that's exactly what he did.
Charles founded the company basically just to provide for his family. He was here, he was unemployed, he had 2 children and a wife to support, and he only spoke German, so he couldn't really get a job here, especially considering unemployment rates during the Great Depression. So he started the company to provide for himself and his family, but then once he got it off the ground a little bit, he started to think about how he could actually provide more for his community.
I think it goes without saying that no one person could create a company like this or an organization like this alone. And so I really give all the credit to many of our great associates who have been with the company for many years and have made a lot of this possible.
I think that Standard Textile throughout its entire history has had 2 core values that have really taken us from where we started at nothing to where we are today. The first one would definitely be integrity, that we say what we think and we do what we say. And then a second value that our company's had since the very beginning, I would say, is creativity. And it's looked different with every generation and as the business has evolved, but creativity has really been how we've outmaneuvered competitors through generations.
The key to winning and the key to being successful is innovation. And I think that the number of patents that we have and the number of people that we have dedicated solely to innovation and product development has been and will be critical to our success.
I think the founding members of Standard Textile would be so surprised and so elated about where this company is today. And I think it's more than how we've grown or what we've accomplished financially or in terms of size. I think they would be thrilled to see that this company is still made up of people who care most about what they can accomplish and about how they can bring products and services to the healthcare and hospitality industries that really will make improvements for the end users.
So here we are celebrating our 80th anniversary, and we're in the middle of a global pandemic. Many of our associates, as are people all over the world, very concerned about what will be after this is over. And what I tell them is that we're a company that has overcome crisis after crisis after crisis, starting with its very beginnings. That's how we were born. And we will overcome this crisis as well, and we'll go on to be bigger, better, and stronger.
Go team! Happy 80th!